Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever needed a professional receipt but you did not want to spend money on expensive software or waste time sign up for complicated tools, then today's video is 100% for you. I'm going to show you receiptmaker.ai, a completely free online tool that lets you create beautiful professional receipt in just a few minutes. So no sign up, no credit card, no download. You're a freelancer, a small business owner, e-commerce seller, or just need a receipt for your expense record, this tool has got you covered. So let's jump right now. This is Receipt Maker. This website very simple. If you notice, okay, there are 100 plus template, so you can choose any one ready-made template or create customization. Okay, so make a receipt online in 3 steps. Choose a template, add receipt details, generate and download. So very simple this website. So why choose this website? Okay, so no sign up needed, looks real professional, full customization template, so real time editing. Okay, so your data private and secure, so okay, no problem. Reliable achievement. Okay, so freelancer you can use e-commerce, contractor and expense record. Okay, so lastly we can start this website. Okay, so just click on make a receipt now. So very simple. Okay, so just you can edit this option, so add your logo, you can use, or name your business name. Right, I write my website name or my business name. Okay, so this is my business name, and you can add your address. Okay, your business address. Okay, and change phone number, and this is very easy. Date and time you can use customize, or you can use autofill current. So now my current date is automatically filled up. So transaction, you register number. Okay, here are item name, so you can use your single items name like shoes. Okay, to change your price like $10. Okay, so you can see automatically change dollar rate. So you can use different name, or no need, just delete. If you need another item, just click on and you can edit this. Okay, so this is underline option, so it is optional, and you can see total value, and add your text like I change my text info, and then barcode, you can change your this barcode, or and just you can generate new random code, or you can add a single choice. Okay, and lastly customize, so you can provide a customized thanks for shopping, please come again. Okay, so our receipt is ready. Now you can download easily. You can download and click on download option. There are 3 options: PNG, GPG and PDF. So now I can download PDF. So here this is very simple. Okay, so you can print easily. So thank you so much for watching this video, and like this video and subscribe for new update video.